So where am I at? I'm out in a field, or a parking lot, really a gravel parking lot, to a place I was at a long time ago. How sick is this? That was just a sneak peek of what we're gonna have some fun today. We're at NC Car with Kyle from Out of Spec Motoring. Remember I used to come here all the time back before opening up the wrap shop and before doing all the, we would come here quite a bit, tearing tires up, having some fun on the track, going off-road, damaging my car. Actually, I backed into a tree out here off-roading. But we're gonna have some fun with a bunch of people here. You know, Kyle has a huge reach now. He's a big YouTuber. He actually posted a video about this plane just yesterday and invited people out to come enjoy seeing it fly for the first time and have some fun here at the racetrack where he's stationed at now. He's back in North Carolina, which is awesome. We're walking to go see it. They're going over all the specs right now. I'll have a link to his video if you want to learn more about this this drone thing. It's really cool. You don't need a pilot's license, which is kind of weird, but it's kind of like a drone that you can sit in. But of course, we're going to see it fly today. We're going to talk to some people, have some fun, really get out of the shop. That's why I like this idea. He posted it yesterday and just said, hey, anybody wants to come out here in the area. It's a 4-hour drive for me, but it was great to get out of the shop and enjoy some weather and some people that I haven't seen in a long time. There's some other people here that it's been a while. Kyle said we're going to do some more events out here, racing on the track, having some fun, drifting, going through some tires. It's a lot of fun. If you haven't been here before or seen those videos, it's a blast. I actually slept right there. It was right during COVID. It's a little story, but I got my car right before Tesla shut down for 2 weeks. Kyle went to my delivery, he filmed it, and then we did a road test all the way here, a range test, and then I ended up sleeping in the car. I ended up you know, we spent 5 days here on the track when everything was shut down. Just so much fun. It was great times. It is super windy out here. Sorry for the noise, but I will narrate some of this stuff. This is really cool. I'm just gonna get some shots. Let me go inside the trailer here a little bit. I'm going to narrate some of the shots here. So many people that are coming to this. We're going to see this thing fly, but pretty cool to see all this stuff and all the people too.
You're welcome to be, you know, 5 feet away. Once I get to the portion that I close the canopy, you need to get behind those quad chargers, but in front of the truck.
Okay, flight plan ready for takeoff. Takeoff in 5 seconds.
So I found a spot out of the wind a little bit. That was the flight that we saw. That was really cool to see. Cool to see the technology that's coming out now. There's this drone, or I think it's a drone, it's a plane. It's a ultralight. It's cool that the fact that people can actually buy these things. You don't need a license for them, and you can actually use them as transportation or rescue. I was talking to the pilot, and he said, you know, he's a EMT, so he can actually drop into an area and render aid if they need it. So government's looking at this, military's looking at this stuff. You know, I was thinking, you know, well, you would want a second seat in there, but he was telling me that you really just need someone to get in there first, render aid to somebody while EMS is actually getting out to them, or park services, wherever they're at, or getting into drop supplies off to firemen putting out fires and stuff. So it's really cool to see the process, or the progress of what's happening. And this is just the beginning stages. This is one of the first ones, or this is the first one. They already have a version 4 out that was in SEMA, so it's more polished, maybe a little bit more powerful and everything. So it's pretty cool to see this stuff. I mean, people can actually buy this. He doesn't work for the company. This is his personal one. He was the first person to own it, first customer, and he's promoting the company, obviously, but it's pretty freaking cool. Whether you're going to get one or not, they're $190,000. This is a lot of money. But whether you're thinking about getting one or not, you gotta respect the flying, but also the way the technology is going. So awesome. Now they're charging it right now, and then he's going to probably do another flight, or she's going to fly it.
We're going to put this on the charger.
No, I didn't get you.
No, that'll